You can use Studio to easily create promotional content for your Etsy store. Let's create a Square social media post. Upload any personal content you need via the Uploads tab, such as this image. Add a text field and choose a font that suits the style of your store. Keep the design simple and eye-catching. In this case, I'm using the negative space of the image as a natural spot to hold the text. Use contrasting sizes to emphasize the promotion, in this case a 50% discount. Lastly, I'll add a graphic box with a call to action to entice the viewer to interact with the content. You can also add any custom logos or artwork to the design from the uploads if need be. It's easy to adapt the design into a vertical format for stories or reels. Make a copy of the design and set the canvas size to 1080 by 1920 pixels. Resize the artwork and adjust the text to fit the new canvas. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.